Inspire.
In communities where we live, we have so many young girls abaze bafuna embuto nga tebanneetuuka. Abamu nno mwana wattu mikwano gyaffe, abalala baganda baffe, abalala baneiba baffe. Naye ekyewuunyisa abawala bano we bafuna embuto ebiseera ebisinga ebirooto byabwe bifa. Abamu baba tebakyeyagala nga bannaabwe abalala. Naye owaaye ki ekiyinza okukolebwa okubeera nga kiyamba abawala bano okubeera nga nabo baddamu okwenyumiriza mu bulamu nga bwe baali nga tebannafuna mbuto? Olunaku olwaleero nkuleetedde omukyala omu ku bakulira puroguramu eyamba abaana bano abawala okubeera nga bezza bujja, okubeera nga beddaabulula, okuba nga babawa essuubi eppya n'okubaako bye babatandikirawo okubeera nga bakyusa obulamu bwabwe. Omukyala ono nja kusaba abeere ng'abeeyanjulira n'oluvannyuma tubuulire biki byakola.
Amannya gange nze Nasolo Shinaud Sarah era nga nze akwasaganya program gye bayita Girl Space. Program Girl Space ekwatagana ku baana abato abawala abali mu makati g'emyaka 14 ku 19. And ekyatandisaawo eno program nti basically nze ng'omu mama wange yanzaala wa myaka 17 n'afa ku myaka 19. Naye kyeneebaza Mukama jjajja wange yambeererawo. So nkuze nsomye mu masomero amalungi n'obuyambi bw'aba relatives bange. Naye kyeneebaza Mukama nti nze nafuna chance esoma. Naye bwe nkuze nga nzija ndabye nga abaana bangi abafuna embuto nga tebalina way about, especially no mu community gye tuli ebizira. Osanga omwana yafumbirwa myaka 15 asula mazzi n'omusajja talina kyakulya ng'ebintu bingi bye bayitamu. So we natuulaawo n'emikwano gyaffe kubanga ffenna tuli bavubuka bato, we just decided to be like, you know what, we can do something. Tekitwetaagisa kuba na ssente, tekitwetaagisa kuba na office. Let's do something so that these girls' lives can change, so that we can give them hope, so that they can get back on their feet. That's why twatandikawo Girl Space.
Gano omulabi waffe nga bwe nkugambye nti abawala bano abasinga mikwano gyaffe, baganda baffe tubamanyi, abamu no mwana wattu bazadde baffe nga naffe abamu twali product ya teenage pregnancy. Naye munnange twasobola okubeera nga tukuzibwa bulungi ate bazadde baffe ne babaaniriza. Kati gwe naawe omukyala ali eyo, bw'oba olina omwana akulinaanye ng'afunye olubuto, tomumalaamu ssuubi, beera ng'omuzzaamu essuubi. Njagala tweyongereyo n'emboozi y'omukyala Shina. So after getting the idea, of course, basically Girl Space, we are focusing on empowering, counseling and guiding, doing different things for these girls so that they can get their lives back. But no bulamu bwabwe, because omuntu ofuna olubuto, it's not the end of the world. Of course.
Because we believe that there are so many people that got pregnant at 17, never soma. Nebagenda ne bayiga ebyemikono, ne bakola ebintu eby'enjawulo. Naye bwe babeera mu community, of course bw'ofuna olubuto ng'olina oli muto myaka 14, 15, abazadde bawulira bubi, abamu babagoba, abamu, like, there's so many challenges surrounding them. So they end up hating themselves. Beekyawa, n'agamba nze sikyalina bulamu, kino tekikola, akaana kakali kakaaba, abamu n'okuzaala tebasobola.
Nzijukizza one day I had gone to Kawempe, Mulago, Kawempe.
Yeah. Referral hospital.
Yeah, nensangayo omuwala yali muto naye nga yafuna fistula after giving birth. N'abambi ng'ali mu bulumi bamubuuza omusajja tamanyi gy'ali n'amuleesa amwekkaanya. It was really so sad.
Ekintu ekireeta such cases is because abamu bazaala nga bato, yafumbirwa omusajja ye omuwala bw'amaze okuzaala yazadde yapasuse
N'adduka.
yafunye obuzibu teri amunyiga atandise okuwunya oba omusajja ye azze yazadde jjo n'amugamba ate njagalako tojja kunyumiza, I need to sleep with you. I mean, she has no say kubanga abasajja abasinga bakulu, and most of even these stories of these girls, mwana muto abeera ne uncle yamukozesa ate talina gwagenda agamba nti uncle ye yanfunisizza olubuto, so you end up questioning her, where is the baby daddy? Asirise tata w'omwana aliwa? Asirise kulwaki uncle oli ate yabadde amusuza? Uncle yamusuza bw'anaagamba nti uncle ye yanneebakako oba taata ye yanneebakako kijja kubanga kirabika bubi. So kyakola ng'asirika agendamu obwo obulumi, so abantu babeera eno bamujajinga kafuna olubuto kalabe kakola bwe kati. They don't know what is going inside
Actually,
their hearts.
Ng'oggyeko ne challenges ebizibu like bye bafuna, naye nfunye okusomozebwa kwa maanyi nti I have my own friends who gave birth, but when you meet balinga abeyawulamu, like mwogera kweno conversation bagamba ffe twazaala conversation like bandyagadde okugyenyigiramu, but they feel out of place. Some feel shy okubeera nga baddamu okwenyigira. How have you found that mothers you work with?
One of the cases that bring to that, we have a scenario of this girl. She was in school, and when she got pregnant, when you get pregnant or when they get pregnant, people start pinpointing them. Babasonga mu kako kalabe kagenda kafuna olubuto kali kaloza kepanka. Like they say a lot of these weird girls. I have one of the girls. I think she's my favorite now. When we met her, she was like, you know what? Bwemba balokole mugende mwatutama. And in my head, I'm like, okay, tuli balokole. Naye tulese birala. Give us a year. Like tulirize. She's like, okay. So the following day, when we meet you, we make sure we follow you up. We give you our time. So the following day we went back. She was like, auntie, obi twayogeddeko eggulo nabadde siyagala kudda ku ssomero. But I think if I get a new school, where gye batamanyi kubanga eri ku ssomero buli omu ansongamu olunwe, ekyo kijja kundeetera okubeera nga sisoma bulungi. We are like, yes. And the other thing nti bano abatusongamu enwe oba ababasongamu enwe, I'm going to keep on referring to because I'm part of them. I feel what they are going through, so I'm them. So ababasongamu enwe enkya bwona amala okugraduatinga, they'll be like, yamaze okusoma nno akaana nako kakuze. But if you fail right now, it's you to suffer. So the only thing you have to do is weyongere yosome. Benyini abakusokerera kati, if you challenge them, boba challenginga. So most of your friends are dropping out nga bafunye embuto. That's the thing they're dealing with now. Nti bo dropping out, bofuna olubuto no giving up on your life. You stay with that inferiority, like osigala we kubire mabega. Me, if you say, you know what, yes, I did this mistake, I went through this,
yeah, but
I'm going to go through it, let me proceed, and I make it. Trust me.
Yeah, but
you
sometimes you need someone to give you that courage.
Exactly.
So after the program, nga tuzeyo ku program, mumalo kujidiscuss, where did you start from?
It's weird. We started, of course, we did the background checkup to see the number of girls that are pregnant, teenage mothers and all that. Then we're like, okay, what can we do next? Honestly speaking, we just woke up, started moving door to door. Exactly. So we meet you, we talk to you, we pray with you, we encourage you. So the first 2 years were really, really hard because we would move, we would walk, we would talk to the girls. nagamba ati tujja kujja.
So the first 2 years it was simply talking to them.
You talk to them, you call upon them, then they don't turn up. But when 2020 came, the COVID, we're like, you know what? This program has been so down. We have Girls Space, but nega etumenya because babera betya, they don't trust nobody. That's the funny bit. Teenage mothers, babera bechawa dda talina gwe yeesiga okujjako omuntu ababembereza. That's when they can draw close to you. So we're like, you know what? Tugende tubanone. What does it cost? What does it need? We don't have the money. We're like, Nida, let us just walk. We started walking door to door. So successfully, the first 3 girls loved the program. And they kept on referring, Mary, what are your auntie? You go there, be like, you slope there. You get there. Then there are these 3 girls. They got married in the same home. There are 3 siblings that got married, like impregnated 3 teenagers. So when we go to these people, so the sister to the boys came nagamba, mama, atono, atori. Inspire.
Kulikayo nnyo mukumulamu kwaffe tukyagenda mu maaso ne programu ya Inspire era nga leero nkuleetedde omukyala Shina omu ku bakwasaganya programu eya Girls Space eyamba abawala abaafuna embuto nga tebannatuuka okubeera nga baddamu essuubi n'okweddaabulula baddemu bayimirizeewo obulamu bwabwe. Shina, oŋŋambye oyina ttiimu gy'okola nayo. Kijja kitya okuba nga mwenna mwayina common goal?
Okay. Fena nga we tuli mu team tulina ekkanisa gye tuweerezaamu nga Sunday school teachers. So we've been watching these girls grow. We've been watching these cases around the community. Kubanga tutambula tukola home visitations, tugenda ne tubatuukirira abaana. So you know when you work in communities or when you're in the community, you get what is there. You get the reality that is on ground. So okubanga tutambula mu communities kyatukwatako nnyo tugamba no bano abaana projects ez'enjawulo bwe ziba zibaweerera ate bwe bafuna embuto ne zibata.
Yeah, by the way.
Ne zibata because most of the projects eziweerera abaana bw'ofuna olubuto nabo babeera bagezezzaako nga bakuta. So we asked ourselves,
and
what
you don't
is
blame
next?
them.
Exactly.
Kubanga waliyo abalala abeetaaga obuyambi.
Kyekyo kyennyini. And we asked ourselves, kiki ekiddako? Bw'oba omwana yafunye olubuto, project neemuta, ki ekiddako? Tugamba, okay, I think we can start up something. We started discussing about it, and in the long run, we noticed almost all of us have stories of teenage pregnancy. Nange sister wange yafuna olubuto naye ga mazima bwe yatandika takyasoma okusoma ne kuggwaawo. When a soul, she's a burden in the family. Abaana be tebasoma bulungi, abaana be tebagenda amasomero, tulina okussaamu esente. Ate munne nange maama yafunyanzaala nga teenage mother. Like we found ourselves that the stories were relating, and we're like, you know what? I think we can. We can't stop the whole of it in the whole world and the whole community.
But you can do something.
We can do something, and we're like, it won't be finances. Because when you are an influencer, when you want to influence something, you want to help people transform, you don't need money. At least you need your time, you need your effort, the love, the support.
So bana abalala nabo bokola nabo, do they have other side businesses?
Exactly. Some of them are teachers, some of them are ministers, some of they have different jobs. Some of them are administrators in big organizations, but every Sunday we meet as a must. Like, for example, I come from Namongo and I work from Luzira. Just know every Sunday, even in this lockdown, I have to be in Luzira for that meeting. We have those that come from different areas, those that come from Makere, but at least every Sunday, we all gather up and meet and think.
Talk about the lockdown. We've seen so many reports on teenage pregnancy. The numbers are rising. Abana beyongedde okuva mu masomero. Of course, engeri gye batakyasoma. Akaseera kano mukasanze mutya mmwe?
Of course, it overwhelms. Oba oli awo ewaka nga weebase. In the night, and there is this girl gwe nasanze. The one thing that impresses us is one of our goals for these girls is for them to grow spiritually and to grow in different aspects of lives so that they can help other people transform. But guess what? When they find another teenage mother or pregnant girl or one who has lost their child during birth or anywhere, they are also concerned. So they will always call you, Auntie, nina gwe nasanze wali munaye. Wali, and you know, it's so funny, they feel like maybe we know the whole area of Luzira.
So you're helping only people in living around?
Exactly, for starters, because we are still small. We don't want to get overwhelmed. I mean, we feel bad. Like yesterday, I was in Chisugu Police. I wanted something from there. I found this girl on ground, all like stressed. She was all rolling around. And she was around 15 years. I mean, I had gone for something else. I had to leave whatsoever I'd gone for to first attend to her. And in my head, I'm like, God, how I wish we can expand and we get at least to Machinje. We get out of Nakawa. At least we get Nakawa Machinje. At least we get to the whole of Kampala. But because of the funds, we are just limited. Just that. But we would really, really wish.
So, lockdown ever since we attended up from 2020 now to 2021, naye embeera yeyongera kuba bubi. Mukoze ku bantu nga bameka?
We have 25 girls. And for us, we thank God. I would say we thank God for the lockdown.
25, the ones you're working with, or even the ones you talk to?
The ones we are working on now. Like if at least, because every year our target is to at least enroll 25. We work with 25 every year. But remember, these ones, before the coming lot, of course, they are mature. We feel like we promote them. We feel like running it like a school. We promote you. When you get a business, you're going back to school, you're in an institute, you're doing that, you're doing this. At least you can inspire somebody else.
So, abana bemu enrolling, what do you do for them?
Basically, one, we do health care. We screen them when they're pregnant and we feel like there is need for medical care and we have to come in. I mean, we have no choice. Even when you don't have money, when that phone call comes, you feel like, now I don't know what to do, but let me look for somebody. We thank God we have a colleague who always, he's a medic. He told us, you know what, when you don't have money, just bring them. When you get the money, you pay me. So even when they go to government hospitals and they don't get medication, they will always call you. You go there and meet them, be like, you call him and start reading the prescriptions. They're like, okay, you can go to the clinic. Then they'll sort you out. So we provide healthcare. We have a book reading club. Some people donated books to us. We have Henry Muguluma. We have that some gentleman who.
Ebintu bino omanyi abasinga bayinza tegeera mu lulimi lwaffe bulijjo singa osobola obitunyonyola.
Tulina tusoma obutabo ekitusomesa obutabo bagaining confidence oluzungu lu improving so that when they get to the community basobola to express themselves. Yes, then twina tusome that's when in fact tusome our prayer is tuyagala government etuyambe omwana wafuna olubuto nali mu senior 4 at least baddeyo bakole ebigezo bwaba awulira nga ayasobola okukola ebigezo
buno mwaka babakiriza ne bakola
ebigezo. Yes, buno mwaka babakiriza ne bakola ebigezo and we thank God for that. Naye ngamba nti tekikoma guno omwaka kuba babeera bangi oli ayinza ofuna olutonda lwa myezi 3 essomero ne limugoba naye ng'agenda tuula senior 4 yeti ng'asobola okubikola n'addayo ewaka n'alinda ebigezo n'akoza omwana we ate n'alyoka addayo ku senior 6. Twina tusome you can either go for an institute osobola okugenda ku adult education osobola okuyiga ebyemikono ekintu kyonna so tubazaayo mu kusoma. We do counseling and guidance. That one it's on every now and then kubobolyawo ate ewaka mwami yaranye ate twakoze kino. That one is on, we can't even stop it.
Ate ekyo kikulu.
Yes, we have mentorship programs whereby people work with these girls. Each one of us has a girl. You have 2 or 3 girls you have to work with. That's why I said that they are our first priority. Nti ogenda kuba weebase omwana akubira essimu akugambe anti biganye and then they need you urgently and you have nothing to do apart from say kansoke ndabe omuwala kyangamba. Oh, if you can't manage you can call a colleague and they stand in for you.
I feel like it needs money.
Yeah.
Mufuna mutya obuyambi ne resources ze mwetaaga okubanga mutambuza programs zino.
Exactly. When we talk about resources, of course we chip in our own money as a team. We get meetings. We need to do this. Olese yumeka, alese omutwalo, alese ebiri. And also our family members, batubeereddewo, especially me. They always like, I go back home and be like, oh, I think we need this in the project, we need this. And they're like, okay. One time we're doing Sanyuka Nange and I came back from town, I didn't have money, we didn't have resources, and my aunt was like, I felt like giving you 50,000, but the spirit is telling me 100. I was like, wow, thank you God. And honestly speaking, that's what I needed for that moment because we had not paid for the venue. I was like, wow. Like friends, I have a friend who whenever we have something, she's called Doreen, like I'm sorry to mention her, like whenever I meet her, she's like, oh, I've gone through, okay, let me just give you this little. And she gives you something and you're like, God, thank you for all the people that are in our lives. We use our connections, we use our friends for starters. Yeah.
Nga shina bwayogedde ekituufu abantu bano tebetaaga kinene nnyo oluusi baba betaaga kwogera nabo oluusi baba betaaga akasente katono mwana wattu akayinza okubayamba ne kakyusa obulamu bwabwe. Kale nno naawe w'obeeyo ng'oyinamu